morning from Monday Mantra. Let's discuss today about the importance of staff meetings. A lot of my young friends come to me and ask me, does it really help? Do we need to spend about an hour or so into the staff meetings? Is it just sort of a feel-good factor, or do we really achieve something? And my answer is, I learned the hard way. I thought I could do it alone about 5-7 years into my practice. Then I realized the importance of every role. I know I've spoken about this earlier, about team, but today let me put more focus on the importance of staff meetings. If you have a routine or a pattern of staff meetings, let's say that you have a single chair practice, which would mean about 4 members of your team, multiple chair practice, multiple of those, which means at any given moment in time, you could have about 10 people in your practice. Now imagine you at the helm of affairs, as the head of the team, not knowing what's happening in your clinic related to certain patient treatment modalities, some outstanding payments, the front office person's troubles or complaints. It's very important that we have these staff meetings. And every staff meeting should have an agenda. Keep it brief. It all has to be time controlled. You can have either a 30-minute meeting or a 60-minute meeting, depending upon how you want to take it up. Not to eat away into your clinical time. You either have it like a lunch meeting, which is what I think is most suggested. So you can have a lunch calm discussion and take it point-wise. I always give an opportunity for others to speak first, and I tell them, you can come to me with a problem, but also come to me with 2 or 3 probable solutions. Because it's very easy to just complain without thinking about a solution. So we go about meeting periodically to address issues related to patients, inventory, some troublesome patients, if you want to call them, some patients who are happy, who are referred other patients. How are we taking care of those? Have you got back to the patients who's referring it? Just a thank you note or a call. These are the issues that you can tackle. There are also times when your staff members or your associates may have attended a conference. This is a good opportunity to come to the meeting and exchange what new you have heard or seen or learned, so that everybody benefits out of these staff meetings. What probably can get out of hand is everybody speaks and nobody listens. So you, as the head of the team, will have to take control of that and ensure that these meetings will have positive outcomes. And if you feel that the meeting is getting too frequent without any output, you can stagger them, maybe once a quarter. But staff meetings are extremely crucial in today's world, in today's practice. Hope this message was good. Thank you.